from?
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County in northern New York, northeastern St. Lawrence County in northern New York until 5:15 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Louisville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Messina Village, Messina International Airport, Richards Field, Brushton, Brasher, Westfield, Fort Covington, Bangor, Messina, Bombay, Constable, Lawrence, Mora, Norfolk, Burke, Stockholm, Dickinson, Malone, Louisville, Fort Covington Center, in South Bombay. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Thunderstorm warning for Otsego County, northern Delaware County, central Shenango County until 6:15 p.m.
I'm trying to get the setup done.
15 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from South Brookfield to New Berlin to near Norwich to near Smithville Flats, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oneonta, Norwich, Sydney, Walton,
Oh, I'm trying to get the setup done.
Guilford,
You're gonna have to see darkness for now.
and Middlefield. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m.
I knew they'd do that.
At 6:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Moscow, or 11 miles southeast of Scranton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dunmore, Bushkill, Dixon City, Elephant, McCanwixon, Blooming Grove, Jessup, Throop, Popic, and Shawa. Severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Delaware County, northeastern Sullivan County until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Roxbury to 6 miles southeast of Downsville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockland, Neversink, Roxbury, Camden, Andes, Stamford, Margaretville, Hobart, Fleischmann's, and Bovina Center.
I'm trying to take a nap. Binghamton, gotta take a nap.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sullivan County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Smallwood, or 7 miles west of Monticello, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, locations in Texas include Monticello, Bethel, South Fallsburg, Woodsboro, Woodbridge, Bloomingburg, Haven, Phillipsport, Hyattsville, and Rock Hill.
Binghamton, let me sleep.